Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Roblox account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Roblox account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address roblox.com and hit on enter. And after that you'll be directed to the home page of Roblox, guys. Now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. Click over there, and over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your credentials in order to log into your device. So either enter your Roblox username, email ID, or your phone number. I'll be proceeding with my email address, guys. You can enter your phone number or your username, anything you want to. And after entering your username or your email address or your phone number, simply enter your password over here. But guys, if you've forgotten your username or your password, you can simply reset it from over here where it says the forgot password or your username. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset or retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Roblox account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.